This is a review of a big speaker, a heavyweight champion from JBL called PartyBox Ultimate. And by the way, this is not an ad, I just borrowed it from my crazy friend.
If you're after loud, clear sound and a light show that blow minds, this might be your new best friend. Right out of the box, it's massive, about 87 pounds or 40 kilograms, with big wheels and a rugged handle for mobility. Ahahaha. The IPX4 means it's splash-proof and perfect for poolside bashes. On top you will find volume, bass boost, light controls, EQ knobs for mic, and the Programmable PartyPad. No app needed, though you can fine-tune it in JBL One app. You only need this app if you want to apply custom sounds for your PartyPad and combine 2 or more speakers into one sound system. It packs astonishing 1100 watts RMS powering dual 9-inch subwoofers, mids and tweeters for sound that covers 2 basketball courts, as JBL claims. And I think it lives up to it.
For indoor use, even at 40%, your walls will rattle. At 60%, it's borderline too loud for indoors, though it's still very clear and very bassy. Let's try 100%. No, it hurts. It really hurts. Don't do that at home.
This thing can hit up to 118 decibels at 1 meter, for those of you who like it punchy. So yes, it's bones-crushingly loud. The built-in RGB lights have some cool effects. Star, strobe, ground lighting, all could be synced to music or customized in the app.
The PartyPad makes you feel like a real DJ. Just tap, slide things, twist, like all live.
It offers dual-band Wi-Fi 5G and 2.4G, Bluetooth 5.3, Chromecast, AirPlay, Alexa Cast, Spotify Connect, and yes, Dolby Atmos over Wi-Fi, if you're subscribed to services like Tidal or Amazon Music HD.
Mic and guitar inputs lets you jam or sing very cringely, or play with 1 or 2 of your friends who can't play guitar really. Over here. But unfortunately, there's no battery, or fortunately, I don't know. I don't even know at this point. It must be plugged in into the outlet. So if you're bringing it to a beach or a cottage, make sure you bring a big generator. Or a car. Though you have to consider that you cannot put maximum 100% volume on that speaker powered by your car, at least my car, because this is Volkswagen Atlas, and at certain point, I think like 50%, maybe 60%, it just shuts off just because that's not enough juice from this car. Maybe some, a truck 350 or something will power it up all the way to the top, but not this car.
At around 1,800 Canadian dollars. It's a steep investment. And I think most would agree, unless you're throwing parties, like big parties on big backyards with no neighbors within the kilometer around your house, then probably something cheaper, smaller, and less powerful, something like PartyBox 710 would be enough. And if you go online, you will see that some users might complain about how not perfect the app is. And I can confirm that because we just recently had a party, like a big party. I'm talking 100 people in a huge backyard with a pool. This crazy friend who owns this speaker brought 2 of them. We spent like 35-40 minutes trying to set up the pair of these 2 speakers to make sure they sound in stereo. Everything was great within 3 minutes. But then his wife came, who also had previously been connected to this system. She also had an app. So what happened is that her phone connected to this setup as well, and we couldn't figure out for 30 minutes what is going on. Why doesn't it sound in stereo? Why it doesn't want to set them up in one pair? And only when she left and Bluetooth disconnected, we could easily set up a pair of these two ultimate party boxes. I mean, we were frustrated and there was no way the app would tell us that, hey, we have two users simultaneously connected to it. You might want to disconnect one and then you will have no problem setting up a party. No. So I'm mad at this app, okay? Now let's talk about pros and cons. Obvious pro is insane volume and deep bass and clear sound. Like the sound is great. Dolby Atmos streaming over Wi-Fi. This PartyPad that allows you to do a DIY amateur DJ when you're drunk. No, you got the point. And also support for dual mic or instruments. What about cons? Heavy. It is freaking heavy. No battery. That's probably a slight, con for me, because to be honest, if it weighs so much, to put another kilogram of a battery in it and make sure it sounds for at least an hour, I think that'd be cool. Might be even more expensive, but again, people who buy that kind of stuff probably don't care about the price tag. Also, a downside for me, it is freaking expensive. Like right now on an official JBL website in Canada, it costs $1,800, which is 28% discount. So without discount, it's 25 grand. And the last one, app connectivity isn't great, to say the least. If you host big events like pool parties, weddings, live jams, or you just want a maximum impact without building a full sound system, the PartyBox Ultimate delivers.
But for casual backyard play, a mid-tier PartyBox 710, which is twice as small, would be probably a better decision.
That's it about this crazy speaker. I'm gonna be driving it back to my crazy friend. Please hit subscribe, leave a comment, support this video. Appreciate every single one of you. Thank you.
Wait, did anyone say car audio?